Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, before going to the video, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any in between changes, you will be able to note those changes when you watch the video till the end. And friends, these are my probable answers, so I am sure that I have given you 100% correct answers, and it's finally up to you to choose these answers or not. And let's get into the video. This is assignment 2 of programming in Java. And coming to first question, what is the output of the following program? So friends, when I have did this in my compiler, I got the answer for first question as option A, 60. So mark option A, 60 as correct answer for first question. Friends, if you feel any changes, please comment in the comment section, so I will be available to you for valid comments, so others can also be able to correct those changes. But I am sure that I have given full correct answers regarding this week and previous week also. Second question, which of the following is called when a method having the same name as that of the class where it is defined? So when you hear that same name as that of class, it reminds us about constructor. So without any doubt, mark option C as correct answer for second question, that is constructor. And coming to third question, in third question, following is a program given for this question. And what is the question? What will be the output of the above program? So when you did this, you will get the answer for third question as Java NPTEL, that is option A. So mark option A as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth one, what will happen during execution of the following code for the command line input? So fourth question, the answer for the given question, consider the following input on command line and select the options with correct outputs. So they have given some options which include other input options. So the answer for fourth question, actually there are two answers. First one is option B, JAN JAVA Java NPTEL JAN Java and space NPTEL. This is one correct answer. And second correct answer is option C, 112131. So mark option B along with option C as correct answers, that is option B, option C. Mark those as correct answers, mark those. And coming to fifth one, which of the following is or are true about print and println methods? So if you read all the four options, you will identify option B, that is println prints and then appends a line break, as correct answer. So mark option B correct answer as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth one, during constructor overloading, which of the following should be used in parameterized constructor to call the default constructor? So the answer for sixth question, the maximum answer is option D. It is not possible to implicitly call the default constructor from parameterized constructor. This could be the answer for sixth question. So mark option D as correct answer for sixth one. And coming to seventh one, which of the following is a valid declaration of object of a class, say box? It means the class name is box, so which is the valid declaration of object of a class? So we know the syntax. What is the syntax? Class name space object name is equal to new operator and class name brackets and semicolon. This is the actual format or syntax. Here class name is box, object name is obj is equal to new operator, and here again class name box and parenthesis open and closed and semicolon. So option A, mark option A as correct answer for 7th question. Coming to 8th one, they have again given a code, a program, and question is what will be the output of the above program. So 8th question answer I have got is false, that is option A here. So mark option A as correct answer for 8th question. 9th one, which of the following can be used to take input from user during the execution of a program? So 9th question answer is option C, that is scanner class can be used by passing the predefined object system.in. Option C is the correct answer for 9th question. So mark 9th question as correct answer for 9th question answer is option C. Coming to the final question of this week, that is 10th question. What is the output of the following program? So they have given a program, and if you see this, the answer for the program is, when I did this I have got the answer as 14, that is option A here. So mark option A as correct answer for 10th question and final question. So friends, I'm going to submit these answers, and I hope the video is very helpful to you. If you feel the same, subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.